Let's practice easy English sentences. Look at the pictures and say the sentences aloud. They are dancing. They are dancing. I am sitting. I am sitting. You are talking. You are talking. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. He is opening the door. He is opening the door. The boy is smiling. The boy is smiling. The girl is waving. The girl is waving. The dog is running. The dog is running. He is wearing a hat. He is wearing a hat. The kids are playing in the park. The kids are playing in the park. She is looking at the stars. She is looking at the stars. He is kicking the ball. He is kicking the ball. The flowers are blooming. The flowers are blooming. The wind is blowing. The wind is blowing. She is jumping rope. She is jumping rope. The teacher is teaching. The teacher is teaching. The students are listening. The students are listening. He is fixing the toy. He is fixing the toy. The baby is clapping. The baby is clapping. She is picking flowers. She is picking flowers. The boy is feeding the dog. The boy is feeding the dog. The kids are coloring. The kids are coloring. He is turning on the light. He is turning on the light. She is tying her shoes. She is tying her shoes.